LG150, operating the ventilation system with the mini control unit. Your compact ventilation unit is equipped with a control unit. It is mounted on a wall in your house. An illuminated green ventilation level symbol in the center of the control unit shows you that the ventilation system is running in its default setting. That is ventilation level 2. You can change the ventilation levels with the plus and minus buttons on the right side of the control unit. The highest setting is level 3 and the lowest is level 1. If you press the plus button to increase to the highest ventilation level symbol, this activates the boost ventilation process. The unit is now running in the ventilation level 3. After 1 hour of operation in the highest ventilation level, the system automatically returns to the normal setting, level 2. Alternatively, you can end the boost ventilation process manually before 1 hour has passed. To do this, simply press the minus key on the control unit. If you reduce the normal operation level manually to level 1 by pressing the minus button, this corresponds to a night mode or an absence mode. In order that the indoor ventilation system functions properly, it is important to always keep the system in operation. Only turn off the system if you are about to do carpentry work, which will cause a lot of dust. To do so, press the minus button again after reaching ventilation level 1. This puts the system into standby mode. In standby mode, none of the diodes of the 3 ventilation levels are illuminated. If your system is running in the basic ventilation mode, this is indicated by the green flashing diode of ventilation level 1. You need to disconnect the compact ventilation unit from the power supply. No diodes at all are illuminated when the unit has been disconnected. After you finish the work that creates a lot of dust, reactivate the system immediately by pressing the plus button. Reconnect the main supply beforehand if necessary. Use the symbol keys on the left side of the control unit to switch between summer and winter operation. You can see which mode is activated from the illuminated green diode next to the button symbol. In summer mode, the compact ventilation unit actively injects the cool night air into the living spaces. In winter mode, this function deactivates. The system warms the external air via heat recovery and, when necessary, with the automatic preheater battery, if installed. The control unit displays a check filter notification every 4 months. A yellow diode lights up on the bottom left of the control unit. This is a reminder to check the filter in your compact ventilation unit for soiling and replace it if necessary. To find out how to change the filters, see our video LG150 replacing the filter with the mini control unit. After you have changed the filter, turn the system on immediately by pressing the plus button. Reconnect the main supply beforehand if necessary. Then, confirm the filter replacement on the control unit. To do this, press and hold the plus and minus buttons simultaneously for at least 5 seconds. The filter indicator light goes out and the cycle starts again. If you replace the filter before the filter notification appears, you can reset the filter time by holding down the plus and minus buttons simultaneously for at least 5 seconds. When the filter indicator light blinks 6 times, followed by a long pause, the system monitoring level 1 is active. The compact ventilation unit has returned to the basic ventilation mode. If the filter indicator light and the warning triangle flash 6 times in a row, followed by a long pause, this means system monitoring level 2 is active. The compact ventilation unit has shut down. More information on the 2 operating modes is available in the attached manual or online at www.pichlerluft.at. If the diode of the warning triangle on the right side flashes red, this means the system is malfunctioning. In this case, please contact an installer. For more information about the different flashing patterns, please see the manual. We also recommend a service contract for annual maintenance with a licensed contractor. For further details on the technical equipment, please refer to the manuals.